welcome back to my channel. Sorry, not welcome back. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Neha and this is my first ever YouTube video. So I thought for my first ever YouTube video, it would be a good idea to film my top 3 quickest and easiest messy buns. I know all of us are in quarantine right now and to be honest, nobody got the time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So we all need something which is quick but cute at the same time. And also the best part about these hairstyles is that they do not require any bobby pins or any kind of pin, to be honest. So they are very simple. They would require only rubber bands and yeah. So without further ado, let's begin. So for the first messy bun, we are going to be requiring only rubber bands. This is going to be a very easy and a messy bun. So let's begin. So for the first one, I'm going to be gathering all of my hair on the top of my head, like so. Okay, just like you do for a ponytail. I'm going to be gathering on like the top of my head. Now I'm just going to be flicking or maybe twisting my hair once and then flicking it over my thumb. Now without any more twists, I'm going to bring back the rest of the section and put it underneath the twisted portion. Now I'll take a rubber band. I have 2 rubber bands on my hand. One is like a tighter one is like a looser one. So I'll be taking a looser rubber band and I'm gonna be tying the bun as close to the scalp as possible. So yeah, somewhat like this, as you can see in the video. Now that we have like a donut kind of situation on the top of my head, I'm gonna be pulling hairs from it just to make it look bigger and messier. Yeah, there you have your messy bun.
उमरां में सारियां जी लइयां रोशनी में सारियां पी लइयां.
So for my second messy bun, I'm gonna be doing a low messy bun which is gonna look great with ethnic outfits. So I'm just gonna gather all of my hair. Now in this hairstyle, I'm not gonna take out the hair later on. I'm gonna just pull out some pieces of my hair in the beginning itself. So I'm just going to take out some hair from both the sides. Now using my left hand, I'm gonna be twisting my hair. Like I'll put my left hand below the hair, twist it like so. Then the remaining hair, I'm just gonna put inside the hole which I created by twisting the hair. I hope you understand this. Now I'll put this remaining hair which I took out from the middle into the bottom. I'll insert it because we don't want the ends to be visible. And then I'm going to take the rubber band and I'm going to tie this bun together in place. Okay? Don't worry, we'll be messing it up later on. So I'm just going to tie it. Make sure you're tying it as close to the base as possible.
उमरां में सारियां जी लईयां रोशनी में सारियां पी लईयां
So for my third messy one, it's more like a cleaner version of the messy one. So this you can wear when you are wearing kind of like formal outfits, and it would look really well. So I'm gonna grab a little piece from the top and make a normal 3-strand braid. Next, I'm gonna grab all of the hair together. Make sure it's all neat along with the braid, and I'm gonna tie a ponytail. So in this messy bun, I'm gonna be requiring 2 rubber bands. I'm gonna take a rubber band and tie a ponytail to the back of my head, like so. We're just gonna like tighten it like this. Now once we have the ponytail in place, we can take the ponytail, twist it around. So whenever you want a cleaner bun, just twist the ponytail and it will automatically become a lot cleaner than like a usual messy bun. And then just twist it around the ponytail and then secure it in place with another rubber band.
उमरां में सारियां जी लईयां रोशनी में सारियां पी लईयां
So I decided to add a bonus messy bun for you guys, because this is like my regular messy one which I just throw up like any time of the day. So for this, it's very simple, you guys. I just grab all of my hair like so, obviously. So grab all of your hair like this. Take a rubber band. Just make the ponytail go through it once. Next time, when you twist the rubber band, take the rest of your hair. Do this. I am not able to explain it, but I think you can see it in the video. And then pass that through the hole, and then this rubber band through the bun. So I'll just do this, and this gives like a very messy rubber band.
उमरां में सारियां जी लईयां
This brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys liked all of the messy buns, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my also please subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll be meeting you soon. Till then, bye.